Look at this cat we randomly found. He's a friendly
Inside?
Yeah. Male.
In a yellow package. I think they might be on that yellow dresser.
He's a boy.
No, he wants some. I'd give you a whole sausage if it was up to me.
He wants sausage.
You got a whole sausage and you're not giving it?
He wants sausage.
Come sit up here with us.
Come on.
Yeah. Put him there.
No. I'm going to speak for him.
Where'd you go?
Over there. Just full. All these people around. He's over there. They're all
Other people can give you food.
Creepy. Fire up.
And then nice.
Please stop wiping your mouth on your food. Stay clear, that matters.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Imagine the ride home with that cat.
Everything will be hairy.
Oh, it fell into the fire.
No. And we just found him in the middle of this Geneva by lake. You're going to see a video of it soon. Oh my eyes. No.
Yeah, this is terrible. I like sitting over there.
Oh, geez.